Hey everybody, what's good? MidMorningSol back at it again, and folks, I know it's been a while since I've, been up doing content or whatnot, but I just wanted to pop up, say hey, and do a little unboxing, right? So from the thumbnail, you saw what I was referring to. It is my new computer, my laptop, in which I got on sale for, I don't know why I said forum like that, from HP's direct website. So folks, here she is, the HP Pavilion Gaming. And before I take old gal out the box, let's go over the specs, shall we? This is an Intel Core i5 1100 or 11300H processor. It has a 256 gigabyte solid state drive plus a 1 terabyte hard drive. No optical drive, which a lot of folks are doing away with, so I'm not too sad about it. Windows, which I hope it's not 11, I hope it's 10. It has a 3-cell 52.5 watt battery, 16 gigabyte RAM. It's a 15.6 full HD IPS LED display, Bang & Olufsen sound system, and it has a Nvidia GeForce RTX 3050 Ti 4 gigabyte video card or graphics card, dedicated graphics card. Let's take it out the box, shall we? Oh! Now, folks, the reason. Okay, wow. It's a pretty. Whoa. It's a pretty hefty brick. So, the reason why I got this, though, one or two reasons. One is that I sit for like, what's this? Oh, the other cord. Other cord. I sit like at least 12 hours a day for the job. That's just the job alone. That's not counting me like sitting right now. I sit so freaking much, right? And sometimes when I just want to get off work, I just want to lay on my bed. And, is that it? Yeah, that's it. I just want to lay on my bed, watch TV, whatever. And I don't get a lot of editing done. I do edit somewhat. It may be hard to believe. But I do edit my videos, y'all. And if you've done content creation, in which you had to, trim here, trim there, make sure stuff is right. It takes a little bit of time, and I don't want to be, sitting up for another, few hours trying to, weed down the videos to put on my channel. It's for the channel. I really kind of gave myself that leeway. But here's the underside. Got a bit of weight to it. The Pavilion has a nice vent. It's in green. Wait, hold on. It's in green. And it's already got freaking fingerprints. So off-putting. Yeah, this is how it looks. I love the green. So beautiful. But yeah, folks, this is what we're dealing with. Acid green. The i5, the the GeForce RTX. You know I'm gonna have it off. So I don't have the stuff on. So I'm gonna let this bad boy charge. And yeah, like I said, it's just so freaking much when it comes to like editing videos. I get deterred a little bit because, after I come from work, I don't want to, come over here, sit, and be up and editing videos. As much as I enjoy creating the content, it's just, this would help me to like just edit videos more, but be more comfortable, like where I can go wherever. I don't have to be sitting up at this desk. And the second reason why I got it is because I wanted a computer, a laptop or a desktop, but I wanted it to be better than the computer I'm using right now. So the computer I'm using right now, I think it's similar. This is an i5 with a 1650. I don't know the specs, but I did an unboxing video on that on that computer. So if you want to look at it, I'll put the card somewhere around here right now. But yeah, y'all, and also, if I want to play some Steam games, my Steam Deck isn't gonna show up anytime soon because I didn't order it fast enough. So it's gonna take a while for it to come up. I also play on my laptop with that in mind, but for the most part, y'all, I'm mainly going to be editing videos. If I don't have the energy to be up here at the desktop, this is why I have the laptop. And that laptop, as of the making of this video, that laptop retails for $939. Well, now from the President's Day sale, y'all, it's $919, but you gotta factor in tax and shipping and all that. Shipping, it took, I want to say it took, it didn't take that long because I got it priority mail, which is the most expensive though. If you don't mind waiting, I hear it could take like weeks to a month, but I'm like, no. There's times where I don't really feel like editing, and y'all knew that my Olympia Soiree playthrough kind of took a nosedive because one, I didn't feel like playing, but I really didn't feel like editing. That was the key thing. But with this bad boy, I should be more inclined to edit since I don't have to be up, sitting up for even longer. Like, woo, y'all, let me tell you something. And then also my work is kind of intense right now, but I wouldn't have it any other way because this is peak season for my line of work. So hey, it is what it is, right? With that being said, y'all, that's pretty much it. I wanted to show y'all what I treated myself with, if you will. I do have plans, because a nice viewer in the comment section was asking me like what was I gonna do going further out, and I want to say that we're finishing Olympia Soiree 100%, right? We're gonna finish it. We're gonna finish that. We're gonna finish the playthrough of World's End Club. I haven't picked that game up in I don't know how long, so forgive me if you were looking forward to that. Don't worry, it's gonna get back on track. Once I finish I done jumped the gun. Once I finish Olympia Soiree, we'll play Variable Barricade. I don't mind doing that because it looks unique with its art style, and y'all know I've juggled two otomes at one time, so it'll be alright. It'll be alright. But yeah, y'all, that's pretty much the plan for now. And yeah, let me know what you think. I like the laptop. I love HP. I have the Pavilion Gaming accessories, like from a sale like a couple of years back. So I love the green motif. But HP moved on to what was it, Victus and Omen. So that's why this one was kind of on sale, and it had I like the specs of it. I wanted the 3050 graphics card as opposed to the 1650 for a little bit of future proofing, but it may be a lot of future proofing because I mainly play visual novels, so there ain't much graphics intensity to worry about, right, folks? So yeah, with that being said, yeah, I'm just getting back into using OBS on top of that. Y'all, with the whatchamacallit, with that Nintendo Direct that happened last week or a couple weeks back, whatever the issue was, I messed up the settings, and then what I ended up doing was re-downloading or uninstalling and reinstalling it. So I had to like configure everything again, and I was just playing with the settings. I might have to do the same thing for the laptop, and then hey, I may be able to use the laptop as a means to stream, and you know, I'd be able to play on my TV like, you know, I originally wanted to. So yeah, that's gonna be cool. So yeah, it's methods to the madness on why I bought this laptop. It's not just, oh, because I wanted the laptop. It's multiple things, darling. But other than that, y'all, I'm gonna go ahead and cut it right here. Probably not gonna do that much editing. Put some background music on, but you're gonna get all those weird pauses and whatnot. I am freaking tired. So folks, thank you very much for watching, tuning in with your girl. I am alright. I hope you are doing alright. And yeah, y'all know my philosophy on this YouTube shit. Be what you wanna, do what you wanna, and I'll see you lovely lads and lassies in the next episode. So until then, my friends, take care, take it easy, and peace.